Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss few problems on Boolean algebra. The first problem, reduce the Boolean expression f equal to b plus bc dot b plus b bar c dot b plus d. Right? Let us have this expression, and first with these two terms we can apply distributive law. So the distributive law is a dot b plus c can be written as a dot b plus a dot c. So if you apply distributive law to these two terms, it will become a bb plus bb bar c plus bbc and bb bar cc. Right? So next, if you check with these two terms, we have a bb. Then by use of this law x dot x equal to x, it will become b. The term will become a single literal as b, right? And then with these two terms, in these two terms, for b bar, as per this law, it will become 0. Since x dot x bar is equal to 0, these two terms will become 0. So the final, after this implementation of these laws or identities, we will have this expression. We can rewrite this as like this. Now we can just take b as common from the first term, so it will be b dot 1 plus c, and we know that x plus 1 is equal to 1, right? This is one of the law. So as per this law, we can have this expression as b dot d plus d. Now again we apply distributive law, right? So this expression will become as bb plus bd, right? And next, this bb plus bd will become as b plus bd by using the x dot x equal to x, this law, idempotence law. We can have it as b plus bd, and here we can take b as common, so it will become b dot 1 plus d. Again, by this law, x plus 1 equal to 1, we will have this expression as 1 plus d as 1. So the final reduced expression will be d, right? So this expression with three terms has been reduced with a single literal by using Boolean algebra or the identities. So the next problem can be like this. We can have this problem. So let us take it, and first we can apply distributive law for this term. So we know that the distributive law is a dot b plus c can be written as a dot b plus a dot c. So this term can be written as bd plus c bar d. So this is it. And now we can have distributive law again for this term. So it will be bac plus bbd plus bc bar d, right? So by using this x dot x equal to x, this identity, we can simplify this particular term bbd as bd, right? And now here we can take a as common from the first two terms and bd as common from the third and fourth term. So it will become like this. And we know x plus 1 is equal to 1. So by using this law, we can simplify this as a plus bd, right? So this will be the reduced expression for the given expression. For the next problem, let us have it f equal to ab plus ac bar plus ab bar c dot ab plus c. We need to reduce this Boolean expression to a simplest form or with a minimum number of literals. So let us have this. First, we can apply distributive law for this particular term. This is a distributive law, you know that. And while applying distributive law, this will become as ab bar c dot ab plus ab bar c dot c. We can rewrite this in this way, right? And in this, from the third term, b and b bar will become make this third term 0, right? By using x dot x bar is equal to 0, this third term will become 0, and this term, the last one, a b bar cc, will become as a b bar c by using this law, x dot x equal to x. So the expression can be written as like this. Now we can apply De Morgan's theorem for this particular term, AC bar. So De Morgan's theorem is a dot b whole bar can be written as a bar plus b bar. So this term can be rewritten as a bar plus c bar here. And now with these two terms we can apply redundant literal rule. Redundant literal rule is a bar plus ab can be written as a bar plus b, right? So we can rewrite these two terms as a bar plus b. Now again we can just rewrite or realign the positions of these terms like this. And after this we can have redundant literal rule for these two terms, right? So these two terms, when we use redundant literal rule, will become a bar plus b bar c. This entire b bar c is taken as a whole term, taken as a single term. So this will become as a bar plus b bar c plus b plus c bar. Now we just again realign the positions of the terms. So it will be like this, and after this we need to apply redundant literal rule for these two terms. So it will be a bar plus b plus c bar plus b bar, right? So after this, from these two terms, which is b plus b bar, by using x plus x bar equal to 1, we can make this expression as a bar plus c bar plus 1, because b plus b bar will be 1. And also again, since x plus 1 equal to 1 will make the entire expression as 1. So this expression is reduced to a value of 1. So let's have the next problem. Prove ab plus ab bar c plus bc bar, which is equal to ac plus bc bar. So let us start with the left hand side of the equation, ab plus ab bar c plus bc bar. So first we can have a as common from the terms from the first and the second terms. So it will be a dot b plus b bar c, right? So now we can apply redundant literal rule for this particular term b plus b bar c. So it will become b plus c here. Then again we can apply distributive law for this term. So this will become as ab plus ac plus bc bar. So next, to have a simplified or to get a reduced expression, we are just including a term c plus c bar. We know that c plus c bar is equal to 1. So this will not make any change in the entire expression or the output of the expression. So if you include c plus c bar, we can rewrite by using distributive law as abc plus abc bar. Now we can realign the terms in this way to have AC as common from the first two terms and BC bar as common from the third and the fourth term. So if you take AC as common, it will be 1 plus B, and if you take BC bar as common, it will be 1 plus C. Alright. So now by x plus 1 equal to 1, by using this particular law, we can reduce this expression as AC plus BC bar. Hence it is proved. So this will be the reduced form. The given expression is proved by this. Thank you.